Hey, it's Rob, and I can now manipulate the DOM with full CRUD in JavaScript. So what that means is that my code can now create, read, update, and delete elements from the web page without having to refresh. And while that's a standard web experience for 2018, it's it's been challenging learning how to do that in only 9 days. So I'm really happy with the progress that I've made, and the only hurdle left is to do it faster. And yeah, the code challenge is only 2 days away, and I'll just keep doing more practice. And I think I'm pretty confident now compared to last week. So yeah, I'll keep you posted how that goes. Hey, it's Rob, and it's Thursday. Today is the Mod 3 Code Challenge. I'm ready to go and crush the challenge. So, I passed the code challenge. And it took more time than I would have liked it to, but I think it was just due to it being a little different than the labs. But once I caught on, it was just the same old. And I would say it was the most challenging code challenge in my experience, or in my opinion, so far out of the 3 mods. But afterthoughts, I would say in this mod, definitely the labs are a necessity compared to last mod, where I didn't really do many labs, but I just went off on my own and made my own projects, and I still learned really quickly. This mod, it's gonna be really hard to not stick with the labs and be able to keep up. Making your own projects would probably be more effective in week 2 of mod 3, but mod 3 week 1, it's just not gonna happen. Yeah, so that's pretty much, yeah, that wraps up mod 3 week 2. Starting next week, we're gonna be on Christmas break, so there won't be class, but the mod 3 project is still a go, and it'll be an individual project as opposed to our usual pair programming.